Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a polyline. So this is for a boundary, and then smooth it using the smoothing tool. So first of all, this is based on the Barème map. So first of all, I need to bring up a special toolbar. So I need to go into Customize and Toolbars, and I'll need this Advanced Editing toolbar. Okay. I was in the editing mode, but I'm just going to get out of the editing mode to start with, and then so we're going to start off, show you how you would start the whole process. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this boundary in here, this one that's coming through here, and then I'm going to smooth it. So there's a number of ways you can start editing the document. So one thing to do is drawing these lines is best to be in data view, so I can swap between data and layout view down in here. Layout view is what will print out, and then in data view it is better for drawing things. Okay, so one way to start editing is to just go to the editor menu up here, and you click start editing. Okay, and then this comes up and it shows what you're going to edit it, and we want to edit the boundaries, so I'm going to edit boundaries. It actually doesn't, I'm not exactly sure why that comes up, because it doesn't actually matter what you click there, because you can still edit other things once you're in the editor menu. Okay. So then now on this editor menu, then I want to click this one because I'm going to create a new feature. Okay. And the feature I'm going to create a new inferred boundary. Okay. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click along. I'm just going to use this straight line segment tool in here. Okay, and I'm going to click along the boundary all the way around, and then we're going to smooth it. So I probably want to zoom in a little bit first. So let's zoom into here. Okay, and then let's go back to my editor. I'm going to have to click this again and invert boundary, and I want to do straight line segments. So I'm going to start just clicking along the boundary, and where it's curved I want to make the space between my clicks less than when it's straighter. Okay, so I can move up here. Okay, just a bit straighter in here. Bit of curve there, so let's put a few more node points, and then again it's curving quite a lot here, so I need to have quite a few. Again it's curving here, so I need to get quite a few together. All the way around. Okay, and then to finish the line I'd double click. Okay, and I've drawn that line. But if we zoomed in closely on that line, you would see that it would be made up of a bunch of straight segments. So it might be a bit more obvious if I unclick that, and if I stop editing, you can see that it's made up of a bunch of straight lines. You can see in there, but we don't want to do that. We want to have it smooth. So if I start editing again, and I want to edit these boundaries, okay, and then if I click on this boundary again, okay, so now I've selected it, And now you can do this directly after you've drawn it, when it's highlighted in this blue colour, for example. And so now what I can do is on my here, I can click this smooth function here. Okay, and then this comes up. Okay, so this asks for a maximum allowable offset, and this is basically how far away the line can go from where you've got those node points that you've drawn. I'm not sure exactly what units these are in, but I've found, so let's just try 10 for example. If I try 10, see it's made it nice and smooth, but if I look at the field maps again, you'll see that it's gone away a little bit from where I'd put it. Okay, so let's undo that. Okay, and let's try and smooth it. Let's lose it a lower number. Let's try 1, for example. Okay, and you see that's kept it pretty close to where I've drawn it in on my field map. So now if I do stop editing, okay, and then I want to save these edits, and then if I get rid of the field maps again, we can see that we've got a curved line. Okay, so that's how we draw a line and smooth it using ArcGIS.